Good morning. I woke up feeling unsettled again. It inevitably happens that as soon as I get comfortable in a place, then my mind does something like, okay, I have to go. I have absolutely loved it here so far in St. Maarten. The groceries are affordable, the anchoring is free and convenient, people are nice, but I think it's time for me to get on the road. Here we are in the middle of July and hurricane season has already begun. Now I'm still learning about weather and storm patterns, but I recently saw this graph that shows that hurricane activity just spikes in August. So I literally saw that last night and I woke up thinking, I gotta get the heck out of here. I still have a long way to go south to get to Grenada, which is gonna be my resting place for hurricane season. And so I think tomorrow morning I'm gonna head to the next island, and that means that today I need to get my life in order and get the boat ready. That one hurt, but like in a good way. This lock has been broken for like a month, completely oxidized from salt water. The combo doesn't do anything. I've just been pretend locking the tender up. So I need a new lock, and I'm gonna go ahead and check out. I think I'm going to St. Barts today, because it's not far. Not only does this place close early, as we found out yesterday, they also close 2 hours in the middle of the day for lunch. I'm 23 minutes early apparently, so I have to wait. I have to do my checkout. Thank you. You having a good day?
Not yet.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm hungry.
Oh, no.
So, I need to eat before I eat somebody.
Hey, hey.
No, you are safe. You are safe.
I love you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's up, brother? I've never checked out of here before. I did it online and here and have my slip. I just have to do it again and do an exit?
Yeah.
Cool. I actually stayed here 5 days longer than I thought I would, and 5 days longer than the date that I wrote for my departure when I first checked in. 0 questions asked. Easiest check-in, check-out process I've been to. Completely free. You do it on the computer. You just enter all your information and the guy checks it. And he's like, all right, bye. How great is that? The only fun thing is that it's a French keyboard, so all the letters are in different places and I'm sitting there going. Anyways. By the way, when you're checking in and out of countries on a boat, a lot of places don't actually stamp your passport, but I don't stand for that. So wherever I can, I bug them and I go to the immigration office so that they will actually stamp it. It's like the best thing in the world to collect. Huh. Maybe iguana. The small ones are the fast ones. I don't like them. I'm on a private vessel. I'm leaving to St. Barts today. I just want to get my passport stamped if that's all right.
When you're leaving?
Right now.
Right now?
Yeah. I just collect the stamps, so. Awesome, thank you so much. Stamp acquired. Bye. I've enjoyed staying here. I'll see you on the next circumnavigation. And just like that, we're on the way to St Barts, baby. All right, we're motoring, we are out. We have 4 hours and a bit, so we'll be getting there just as the sun's going down or just after the sun goes down. I would have liked to have left earlier, but there's only about 5 knots of wind speed right now, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to sail, but hopefully when we wrap around this island, the wind picks up on the beam and we can get some sails out, speed up the journey a little bit. But weather's nice so far, touch wood. St Barts, baby! Charlie, what do you think? You don't like it when we go underway, do you? Because you're wondering if we're going to be out here for 4 days, 5 days. Don't worry, it's a quick one. I need to interrupt this video to thank the sponsor of today's episode. The sponsor of today's episode is people just like you. The site is called Patreon. It's a crowdfunding site to support artists, creators, sailors, people who are putting content online for free. Before I bought my boat and started doing YouTube full-time, I supported multiple creators on Patreon, and I enjoyed the feeling of watching people chase after their dreams and supporting them a little bit in my own way. I also think it made it more fun for me to consume their content. Now, I try not to talk about this too much because I don't want to be shysty and I don't want to mess up the vibe of the videos asking people for money online. But recently in a comment, somebody said that I should promote the Patreon. I appreciate that, by the way. And so just quickly, I want to tell you what my goal is. Over the next 6 years, I want to circumnavigate the world with this boat that I rebuilt with my friends and family. I just want to travel. I need to see the world while I still can. I want to help as many people as I can on the way, and I want to share the journey with you. I've loved making videos for years. I used to make travel videos, I made fitness videos, I made construction videos. I just love making videos, and it's truly what I want to do as a job to support this journey. Recently I broke my drone and I haven't been able to share those amazing aerial scenes with you guys lately. I want to be very clear, I will stop at nothing to complete this journey around the world. And I would make these videos even if I didn't get paid for it. But at the advice of this comment, I want to say, if you feel like signing up for Patreon for as little as $5 a month, I would greatly appreciate it, and it would make it a lot easier for me. As soon as I can afford one, I'm gonna get a new drone. I'm gonna pour money into the boat, make the boat more capable, and share this experience with as many people as I can. Patreons get ad-free content. That being said, my content will always be free on YouTube, and I really just appreciate everyone who's watching. If it's not the time for you to sign up for Patreon right now, I understand. I love you all anyways. Sorry, I had to bring it up. Back to the video. Ow! Okay, we're in, but it was hectic. It is very, very crowded here with boats. First off, that's my first time anchoring solo in the dark, and it's the most crowded anchorage I've ever seen. There's a lot of boats that don't have any lights on, so I'd be just coming in and they're, oh my god, there's a boat right in front of me, and turn real quick. I'm gonna show you the anchorage and how crowded it is in the morning, but it is crazy here. And just listen to a second for how swelly it is here, how rolly it is. I'm really excited to show you guys this place. This is one of my favorite places I've ever been. So crowded, rolly anchorage or not, I'm really excited we made it. And the feeling of waking up in a new place is always worth it. St Barts, baby, we did it. .7 knots, speed over ground, baby.